2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, premium sound system, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, heated driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.